Well, UC Davis is working to bridge the medical divide in the Central Valley. For decades, there has been a physician shortage.
Yeah, the medical school has partnered up with Kaiser Modesto, and now 7 students with roots to the Central Valley are back home learning the profession. KCRA 3's Kate Reese spoke with an aspiring physician.
Stanislaus County, back to where Benjamin Vincent's dream began.
It was always a dream of mine. I think it was 4th grade. I came home. I told my mom I wanted to be a heart doctor. I didn't necessarily know what that meant, but I thought hearts were cool, and I knew that doctors get to help people.
Vincent is one of 7 third-year UC Davis medical students enrolled in a program that may help the Central Valley retain physicians.
There's not many residency programs that allow us to come back to the Central Valley and train and learn with this population that is in dire need of physicians.
This is the first year that UC Davis's REACH program, which stands for Reimagining Education to Advance Central California Health, has partnered with Kaiser Modesto.
The need is great. There is a very, very high need for physicians that come from these communities and that understand what the patients are going through.
Dr. Alicia Gonzalez Flores says the Central Valley is in dire need of physicians due to a lack of medical schools and residency programs in the valley. She adds studies have shown medical students are more likely to stay in cities where they complete their residency.
This really is a wonderful program that we hope will continue and really will help us address the health disparities that exist in the Central Valley.
Vincent has 1 more year until he graduates.
I'm a Central Valley kid through and through, and it's just really nice to come back here and learn from the many, many minds and brilliant people here working with Kaiser Central Valley.
As he looks back on the lessons he has learned, along with the patients he has met, he says he is excited to come back home.
I think growing up here, everyone's thoughts are, hey, I want to move out of Modesto. And here I am knocking on the door, trying to get back in.
In Modesto, Kay Racine, KCRA 3 News.
And UC Davis first launched a program like REACH back in 2011 when students finished their final 2 clinical years in Fresno. They say that program helped a greater number of graduates return back to the Fresno region.